what is spend management? Managing expenditures is the process of collecting, collating, maintaining, analyzing, and categorizing expenditures in order to minimize procurement costs, improve efficiency, monitor and control workflow, and ensure compliance. Throughout the procurement cycle, spend management affects and manages various activities. In its components are requisitions processing, budgeting, planning, suppliers management, contract management, inventory management, sourcing, and product development. A comprehensive discussion of spend management across departments is relevant to any organization, regardless to its size or type.